Hey guys, welcome back to MWP Popcorn, and this is your boy Rell.
Kelso.
And today we are reacting to Chainsaw Man Episode 3. So last we met the whole team, Makima, Aki, Power, of course, and yeah, she did go in. Yeah, she's very cool. And of course, Denji makes the team. So they killed their first devil, which was a sea cucumber devil, and
I still think looks like Jello, but
yeah, it does look like Jello. But yeah, that's where we were left off. So let's get straight to it. Guts.
wonder what it smells like. I'm still thinking it's like Jello, so I'm thinking like
Yeah.
grape.
Business. Yo got it all over her clothes.
Impulse.
Blood devil.
So she's like, you know, like the reckless one. That
Yeah.
They have to
Like reel in.
Dang.
マキマさん、この悪魔嘘つきですぜ。逮捕だ逮捕。嘘なんとか罪で逮捕だてめえ。
Fake ass liar.
I mean,
悪魔は嘘をつけない。嘘をつくのは人間だけじゃ。
なせてねえよ。てめえが証拠だ。バカ。
Oh yeah, no one saw him turn into devil yet.
is this like purposely supposed to be like a butt shot?
I wasn't looking. I was looking at the background.
偉いね、パワーちゃん。私は二人の活躍を見たいんだ。私に活躍見せられそう？見せる。
She's such like a. She's got such like authority. you
Yeah,
know? Like I
yeah.
mean, I know that she's like their boss,
Yeah,
but just the way that she carries herself.
yeah. That authority figure.
She's just hungry, you know.
胸を揉みたいと思っている場合じゃないかもしれない。
That's what this is all about.
So she doesn't. So he gets fed and stuff like that, right? Like he's taken care of. Shouldn't she have the same kind of like?
Guardian or something.
Not even guardian, just like why is she not being taken care of? Like.
Well, we don't know that. She just came out of
She
nowhere.
seems like a fiend. Well, you know, literally like a fiend. I mean, she was trying to save herself, and they're like strangers, really.
人間は嫌いじゃん。人間がわしに何かしたからではない。悪魔の本能みたいなもんで嫌いなんじゃ。そして悪魔も嫌いじゃ。
So she's really gonna hate him being both.
わしは悪魔からニャーコを取り戻せるなら、人間の味方でも何でもしてやる。猫ごときにと、うぬには分からぬ感情じゃろうがな。
Actually, I have
Right.
that too.
くだらねえな。寝るっつうことなら何でもできるけどよ。
I think you said the quiet part loud.
Right.
ああ。でも犬だったらまだわかるかもな。
ニャーコを悪魔から取り戻してくれたら、胸を揉ませてやると言ったらどうする？
Challenge accepted.
Right, let's go right now.
Right.
悪魔がよ。
It's the only thing standing in his way.
さらうなんてよ。んなことは許せねえよな。
Oh, he's riled up.
デビルハンターとして許せね
She's so impressed by this.
え。ぶっ殺してやるぜ。
What?
Yo, this show is crazy. Headquarters.
魔人パワーの外出を許可します。
Have her leave.
17時までには戻ってくるように。
一人じゃ外出もできねえのか？
おお、ずっとここの中で退屈しとった。
That's why they put them together. It's basically your babysitter.
Yeah.
ニャーコをさらった悪魔の場所は分かっとるんじゃ。問題はウヌしか戦えんことじゃ。
Boy.
Are you listening?
俺もポチタっつう悪魔飼っててさ。もう
He's actually inside me.
できねえんだけど
Mm-hmm.
いいんだ。俺のここで生きてるから。
Oh, there you go.
人間は愚かじゃな。
あ？
そりゃポチタが死んだってことじゃろ。死んだ
No, I mean literally.
心の中にいるだのなんだのは浅ましい慰めじゃ。
ええ、そうだな。
Everybody thinks that he's just whatever until they see the devil power.
絶対仲良くなれねえな。こいつ。
米国の件でソ連はタカ派の声が大きくなっている。悪魔を軍事利用しているという噂も聞く。願わくば日本の敵は悪魔だけでありたいものだがな。マキマ君、君にあげた部隊の犬は育っとるかね。
期待に応えられそうなのが1匹。面白いのが1匹。
Which one's promising? Which one's the interesting one?
All
最
right.
近拾った子犬です。
Oh.
Oh,
君
there
の仕
you go.
事は犬を育て使うことだ。くれぐれも情は入れてくれる
They're really sticking with this whole dog theme.
Yeah. Which makes sense why she has to be so like authoritative.
Yeah.
Don't grow attached.
レンジは不快なだけで面白くないですよ。
Rude.
どうしてそんなに期待をするんですか？
Shut up!
すべての悪魔は名前を持って生まれてくる。
I need to
その
know
名
her
前が
past.
恐れられているものほど
Yeah.
悪魔
So her logic is
まだ
like
ガキなんですよ。
the real life item, aka a chainsaw, is very dangerous. Therefore, a chainsaw
has-
devil would be like the strongest that you can be.
I don't see why he wouldn't be an asset. You know what I mean?
Right.
Because he's saying, I mean, if you're comparing him in
あ
power,
そこにニャーコと
if
悪魔
anything,
がい
she's
る。
more reckless.
Yeah, but she's really good with her power, right?
じゃあさっさと行くか。
But they haven't gotten to see what he can do yet. But I guess that's the point. He like underestimates him.
Yeah, yeah.
But we know
Right.
what he's
な
capable
るから
of.
チェンソーにはなりたくねえ
おチェーンソー
な。ああ、俺チェンソーなれんの。
人間の冗談は笑えんな。
No, really.
と見せたら猫を人質に
I
される。
appreciate though. He doesn't have a reason to have to prove himself.
Right.
You know, he's just like,
おそういう設定
Whatever.
だったが。
設定？
言い間違いじゃ。
oh,
バカじゃが勘は良かったな。
oh no, is she gonna eat him?
I don't think eat him. She just wants to kill him, right?
Ah, okay, I was not expecting this.
Yeah. I was honestly expecting like a giant cat. Like, oh,
Yeah, I
there's
really
my little
thought-
cat.
yeah, I thought they were
And it's like a
gonna
tiger.
come up with something.
望み
Or
通
she's
り
just
人
using
間
him
を
as
連れて
bait.
きたぞ。コウモリ。
Bat.
久しぶりの食事。若い男か、精力の出る血を飲めそうだな。この腕の傷を見ろ、人間。貴様らにつけられた傷。
知るか、バーカ。
食事が吠えるな。人間に刻まれた傷。
Food shouldn't
人間
speak.
の血で癒させて
Oh, I see it now. I see the
もら
bat now. I couldn't see it before.
You taste the devil.
This isn't even a human.
まずい 一理復活してしまったではないか。
Well, now there's a hole in the roof.
He doesn't
人
care.
間で口直しをしなければ。
He looks kind of cool.
お前は悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか。
He's trying to help you out.
よくわしの話を信用できたもんじゃのう。やはり人間は愚かじゃ。
Dang.
タバコの匂い、化粧と薬の匂い。
それマジやば。
口直しは子供に決めたぞ。
Not the children.
コウモリの悪魔。約束通り人間を連れてきたんじゃ。ニャーコを返してもらう。
I mean, so she was kind of telling the truth about
そう
Meowie.
いう話だったが。
Yeah.
ニャーコ。
Yikes.
ニャーコ。ニャーコ。うぬの名はニャーコじゃ。猫にしてはうまそうな匂いじゃな。
He's about to die.
And then she became attached.
Mm-hmm.
早く大きくなれ。ニャーコを殺すのが楽しみじゃな。
She's like a farmer. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Beef up your animals and then kill them.
殺してたから
About to feast on a cat.
悲鳴じゃない。
Didn't we say to eat the cat that last episode? When she said that she was hungry?
Her horns look smaller here. I wonder if that's purposeful. Or is that just me?
猫を殺されたくなければ人間を連れてこ
It's
い。
about the same. Maybe a little bit smaller.
I don't really feel bad for her. I'd be like, don't look at me.
1 minute later.
Oh.
まずい、まずいちばかりだ。
But you knew that though.
Yeah.
口の中が気持ち悪いぞ。子供の血でうがいをしなければ。
Gargle with the blood of children. That's wild.
うがいをした後は前菜に生娘だな。メインは肉好きのいい男。デザートは妊婦がいい。
俺の胸返せ。
私の血を飲んでる。気持ち悪い。貴様の血など飲む気も起こらんわ。
Here we go.
ポチタがいなくなった時があった。朝起きたらポチタはいなくて、街中を探しても見つからない。
Everyone has that kind of story.
悪魔に食われちまったって思ったけど、
Yeah.
家に帰るとポチタが泣きながら俺を待っていた。ほっとしてそのまま一緒に寝たのを覚えてる。
God.
あいつはニャーコを悪魔に奪われて
R.I.P. homie.
どんな
Not
気
really
持ちで
dead though.
眠ってたんだ
I know, but still.
But still, it's not the same.
Get him.
I like how the music just cut off.
I'm just trying to do my job.
悪魔のくせに何がしたいんだ。
You'll cut his arm off again. Please, I need another human.
Take off his other arm too.
So how was he able to just punch him just now? Can he retract his chainsaws?
Oh, like without cutting him?
Yeah. Because he totally like punched him out of the room.
That's a good point. Well, it doesn't always have to be running, right? Chainsaws
true.
only work when they're running, right?
That's true.
I don't know how technical you are. He's all like, child. He's after you.
人間を逃がすようなやつにこれは切れるか
Oh, yeah. Took it off.
その力でなぜ人間を助ける
誰が助けたって野郎の命なんだ死ぬか
He doesn't care about some dude. He only cares about women and children.
Yo, chop off his other.
It's gross. That's cool.
Oh my gosh. Is that the same guy that fell out of the car?
Yeah, that's the same guy that got out of the car.
He lived?
He jumped out before he threw it.
But like, after all those explosions.
散々な目ばっかあってよ
Yo, his fingers.
我慢しかしてねえのにまだ人もみもしてねえんだよ
That's like literally his motivation.
Yeah. Is that his cape?
You didn't have to do that.
Right. Why even try to do that?
Dang. Wow.
His fingers are fixed.
Well, he was also saying that he kind of heals himself in a way, right?
Yeah, by I think devils heal by drinking blood. And I know he drank the bat blood while he was riding on him, but I didn't see him drink any more blood after that. Or maybe he can use it or whenever. I don't know.
I mean, that was a lot of blood.
Yeah, that's
That was a nice scene though, where they had the blood rain.
yeah.
That's
yeah.
kind of nice.
That was nice. So, I mean, he cut down the bat devil, but still no one saw him.
I was just gonna say, like, she missed it.
She missed it. But I mean, he has to get her out, right? She's not gonna just die, you know?
I don't. That's what I'm thinking, because he was like,
There's
"Oh,
no
you know,
way.
give me back, give her back or whatever."
Right.
So, is she not considered dead, even though he ate her and the cat?
Yeah, I didn't see him chew. Yeah,
It's one
I
of
feel
those,
like.
Pinocchio things with a whale.
Oh yeah.
Those whale situations.
But
Interesting.
yeah. So last time he had to get hugged in order to have it melt off his body. So I guess
point.
this time he's gonna be like, "Oh well, I saved you. You're out of the body. Let me kind of feel." And then once he does that, then
That's a good point.
he'll melt off.
Maybe. I guess we will see. Definitely
will
some
see.
questions that we'll, I guess, see how they play it out next.
Yeah. But either way, great episode. I
Yeah,
like
that was good.
Yeah. I like Chainsaw Man. I hope you guys did too. And if you want to see more, let us know by hitting that like and subscribe button.
Comment below, let us know what you're watching.
We'll see you on the next one.